What's going on, raza? Que andamos back with another video. Ya saben, I'm telling you guys, this is a bad month. I don't know what's going on, but all my cars are down. Everything took a shit. This thing's idling stupid. This thing doesn't have a fucking engine. My wife's car took a fucking shit. Fuel pump needs a timing chain. I did cam sensors, crank sensors. I did starter, I did batteries. I did everything on this motherfucker. Oh, it needs a cat too. And this motherfucker, it wasn't fucked up. It just needed brakes. But my dumbass forgot to put it in service mode. And so I put the brakes back together, put it back down and everything. And I didn't put the caliper bolt back on correctly. Like, I just threw it on there like a dumbass. I was like, oh, I'm gonna put it in service mode real quick. Pulled the parking brake all the way out. The piston came out the fucking caliper. Like a dumbass. Freaking out for a little bit, you know, I calm yourself down. But remember where we came from. Remember where we came from. Big Ken, shout out to you, Big Burr. Shout out to you, Ken. So, you know, if caveman that shit back on, put it on, made sure the seal was on correctly, twisted the piston back in. I didn't waste a lot of fluid in there. Pushed it back in. All that pressure that was in there, I released it from the seal. So we're all good now. It doesn't leak. Pushes the piston back out. Had my wife pumping the brakes on it just to make sure it was running out. Had to stop myself for a little bit. Go do the other side just so I could calm down a little bit. Go back to the other side, take it back off, and figure it out. But we got it done. That truck's running. My Chuck is piece of shit. Needs a new petcock. Dumping fuel out of the fuel port, the fuel tube, whatever. But anyway, today we're gonna go to the junkyard and look for parts for this build. I ended up picking up a bunch of stuff for this car. I got the blue carpet. We got blue STI seats. We got everything for the center console, all the interior, basically. We got the rear STI seats. We also got 2 extra STI seats in case anybody needs them or wants them. They're in good condition. Anyway, we also got WRX seats right here if anybody wants them too. We ended up picking up a oh shit. Ow! Camera down. We ended up going back to my parents' house and I picked up the spoiler I had on my last WRX. We also have, yes sir, and we have some Carlton style wide body kit. I'll show those out here and I'll show you guys here in a little bit. They're a little, I'm on my way to the junkyard, so stacking up tools, getting tools ready, doing all this stuff. I'll see you guys at the junkyard. What's going on, guys? We're back at the junkyard. As you guys can see, we found a WRX or Impreza wagon, but we are taking a lot of this shit. Hopefully, we have axles and all that stuff. All I need is the calipers, the lines, and a bunch of other good shit. This thing's full. This thing's complete. It's an automatic. I'm not taking none of this. I'll probably end up taking the fuse box and the battery harness. But other than that, we got good brakes. Everything's right here actually. This thing's complete. So we get to work, and I'm gonna get to taking shit off. What's that? Nah. Guess those in a regular kit, in the house kits. I got a bunch of those laying in my toolbox too. They really do. Each one of them's axles are all fucked, so I have all this shit on my hands. Okay, we're all done. We can go home now. I'm gonna look for some more parts, but we're pretty much done here. Yes, sir. Vámonos a la casa. So we're back out now. We're leaving U-Bullet. Like I said, this is probably the cleanest junkyard I've ever been to, and with the view. See the city in the back. But anyway, we're gonna go home now. We got the brake or caliper and bracket. We got the caliper and bracket. We're gonna go home now. We still need to do. I still gotta see what else I need. I was gonna pull the power line and ground, the power line and ground, but I kind of don't need it at the moment. So I was gonna look for a K20, but I gotta go do some other stuff. But anyway, we'll see you guys back in a break.